Many organizations struggle with maintaining a reliable configuration management database, CMDB, within their ServiceNow platform. Discrepancies and inconsistencies in CMDB data can lead to inefficiencies and slow down effective decision-making. At Royal Cyber, we offer prescriptive CMDB assessment services to address these challenges head-on. Our comprehensive analysis identifies and rectifies data discrepancies, streamlines IT service management processes, and ensures compliance with industry standards. Now, let's explore the tangible benefits you can expect from our CMDB assessment services. Gain valuable insights for data-driven decision-making, achieve unmatched visibility into your IT assets, and propel operational excellence. Utilize actionable insights to optimize resource allocation, improve operational efficiency, and confidently ensure regulatory compliance. Ready to elevate your ServiceNow CMDB? Contact Royal Cyber today, your trusted partner for ServiceNow CMDB excellence.